Hi everyone, I'm Chef Leroy and welcome to my cozy kitchen. Well, I'm in my cozy man cave, that's for sure. Today is not about cooking. Today is again another opportunity to talk to you about my bathroom remodel. Last few days we've gotten glass installed for our showers. I've been talking about this for a while. Got the downstairs done and the upstairs finished as well. We also had our mirror put in upstairs. We're not 100% pleased with that craftsmanship, I guess, what you would say on the framing. But that's something we'll have to address with that company. But anyway, showers look great. Have not used the basement shower yet, but guess what? I used the upstairs one for the first time and it was fantastic. So we have three controls on it, right? One controls the water volume, one controls the heat of the water, and one controls the wand that's up there as well. So everything worked really well. Extremely pleased. It's just a great shower. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Subscriptions are free to join. If you like my videos, please hit that like button. Give me a couple thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them for me. I will respond to them as soon as I see them. Okay, we're in the downstairs bathroom. We're going to show you what got done over the last couple of days here with the bathroom remodels. All right, now the only thing that's left to be done in this bathroom is to hang the mirror here. And our electrician has to put the plates on. So I'm not really sure why they're not on there yet, but we need to get the plates on the wall. All right, let's turn around here and let's show you the shower glass. All right, so this got just done the other day. Look at that. All the way to the bottom. And let's go ahead and open up the door here. Beautiful, look at that. I think it looks just fantastic. Everything looks beautiful. All right, well, haven't used the shower yet, but we will be. I'm almost curious though. Let's check the door to make sure it doesn't hit the wall. No, it does not. Okay, good. So that's good. I was worried about that. All right, let's go ahead and close that up. And just like that. All right, let's go upstairs and check out the bathroom up there. Okay, upstairs bathroom. The shower has been completed. So that is the shower glass. And the one thing we know, so this goes in, the door goes in like that, and it can come out, of course, just like so. Now the nice thing about it going inward is when your water, the glass is wet, if it's wet, you pull it inward and let the water drain into the shower itself, into the bottom, okay? Now you cannot use the shower wand up there to wash this glass. I guess you can if you're really careful, but there is a gap right where this glass comes together. And that's just by design, so you'd have to be really careful if you're spraying water toward the door. Not to mention there's a gap on this side too, right in here, where that is. So you'd have to be really careful. But anyway, it's very, very nice looking. Very happy with it. I will be taking a shower, so I'm excited to try the new controls. I have not tried anything yet. I'll probably have to give you a report on how everything works. And let's go over here. We had our mirror put in. There's still some tape on the side just because they have it sealed, but that's what the new mirror looks like. I don't know, we're a little disappointed with some of the work on it. There's a little funky top part up there at the corner of that side there and this side over here. So we have to talk to them about that, and maybe there's something they can do to trim that down a little bit. It just looks a little funky. Anyway, the bathroom is completely done now, other than maybe that situation. We've basically already moved into our closet. We got some of our effects in here now. So absolutely fantastic. Very excited to finally have our bathroom full time. Okay guys, that's it for now. We'll have to show you what the stairwell looks like when that gets completed too. All right, anyway, that's it. Chef Leroy and out. And thanks for watching My Cozy Kitchen.